Hi, Dr. Chef here. Today we're gonna call this an original recipe or a remake of a Cajun dish, which is we made our dirty rice. Now we're gonna make a shrimp Creole, but Indian way. Okay, so shrimp Creole is a kind of spicy, hot Creole sauce, which is from Louisiana, but we are gonna just put Indian spices in it. Almost similar to that, but with Indian spices. Hi, y'all. I'm gonna sound kind of Cajun, okay? So, with a Cajun twang, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of oil to my hot pan. Okay, so anytime you're cooking Cajun, anything like Creole or anything, so you gotta add equal amount of onions, celery, and green pepper. That's what brings out the flavor of this dish. A Creole sauce is all blending the spices together. The capsaicin and capsicum always comes out when it's cooked really for a long period of time. And you'll see amazingly what difference it will make. Let's saute it a little bit. Okay, so now to this we added our garlic. It was sauteed for about 2 minutes or so till we added our garlic. And to this we add our coriander and thyme. Okay, that makes it the Indian way. Okay, so now we gotta make this like a sauce, right? And so we're gonna add our onion paste to it. And you can always find my onion paste recipe there. Oh, it's sizzling really nice, and you can find our onion paste recipe in our Pinterest or on our other YouTube videos. So we are all coming up to now, we are in the graduation level of bringing all this recipes together. Okay, so to this now I'm going to add, what was this? This is our hot, and this will gonna start burning now. And you cannot add too much of this. This is the hot sauce that we made. So this will give it the kick, the zest. Oh, I can already smell it. So we're not going to add any pepper to it. Usually a recipe calls for pepper. And now to this I'm going to add 2 tomatoes with some water. There is some stock in this, so we're going to add 2 tomatoes and let this all simmer in this for about 5 minutes. Oh wow, look at this. This is how a Cajun Creole sauce or an Indian Creole sauce is supposed to look. And you can see it is simmered well. And to this, I'm going to lower this down. It was simmered on high heat. I hate this when it's making all this noise. Okay, so now I'm going to add to this my Worcestershire sauce, which is kind of a tamarind, you know, and gives that kick. And always when you add tomato, you got to add sugar to it, so it cuts out the acidity. So I'm adding sugar, and there is salt also in this thing. So mix it and let this simmer for maybe 5 seconds. Okay, so now since we said this is the Indian style shrimp Creole, which we're going to eat our dirty rice with, now my shrimp, it's 2 pounds of shrimp, which I'm going to add to this. There you go. Just let it come to a simmer, let it come to a boil, and that's where it stands. And once it comes to a boil, it's already cooked. You don't want to cook shrimp more than 2 minutes in it. Oh my God, it smells heavenly. And it's gonna taste great because of the thyme, the coriander and everything. It's just a different type of sauce compared to just monotonous Creole sauce or just a curry. You will try this and you will thank me for this recipe. You have to subscribe to our channel. And you know what our channel is, right? The Topper Chef. The Topper Chef channel. Like us on Pinterest. Tell your friends, like and share, and enjoy all the food I cook for you.